Hi. My name is Rachel. And I welcome you to Deliciously Easy Keto Recipes. Today's recipe is keto butter chicken. Preparation time for this recipe is 5 minutes. It will take 15 minutes to cook this recipe. This recipe is for one person only. To prepare this recipe, you will need following ingredients: 100 grams chicken breast, diced, 10 grams minced garlic, 10 grams minced shallots, 5 grams minced ginger, 2 teaspoons curry powder, 2 teaspoons tomato paste, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, half cup chicken stock, and fresh cilantro for garnish. Procedure: melt butter in a pan. Add ginger, garlic and shallots. Sauté until aromatic. Then, add tomato paste and curry powder. Roast for about a minute. Add chicken stock and bring to a simmer. Then, add chicken pieces and simmer for 10 minutes. Add heavy cream and simmer until thick. Finally, top with fresh cilantro. Nutritional information. This recipe is packed with 395 kilocalories of energy, and also contains 23 grams, 25% of proteins, 29 grams, 67% of fat, 9 grams, 8% of carbohydrates, and 3 grams of fiber. Now, let's prepare it. To try custom keto diet plan for 7 days in only $1, click the link given in the description. For more recipe videos, like, follow, and subscribe our channel.
Disclaimer: my video descriptions contain affiliate links, which means that if you click on one of the product links or make a purchase, I may receive a small commission. Using my affiliate links doesn't cost you anything and helps me support the channel.